Okay, so there are some changes to general compliance in the UAE that you need to be aware about. So please watch this video. It's not going to be long at all, but I'm going to go over everything in detail and I'll recap some things at the end. So basically, if you have a company in the UAE and you make any changes to your license, or you renew your license, or you update the shareholders, literally any change whatsoever, you have to update this on the tax portal. If you don't do it within 20 business days, you will get a 5,000 dirham fine. So make sure to do this. Otherwise, again, you're going to get a fine. If you're one of our clients and you're using our accounting services, we would be doing this on your behalf. Of course, share the details with us, the documents with us, and we will do all these submissions on your behalf. But if you're not using our service and you're using another provider, then please, you make sure that they're doing this, because you don't want to get fined 5,000 dirhams for late compliance in terms of updating your information. So again, for example, let's say you have a license and you renew your license, then please update it on the portal so that it's up to date, right? If you get a new Emirates ID, you switch to a golden visa, update it on the tax portal so you don't get a fine. So make sure you do these things. And of course, in addition to that, general knowledge, you should be registering for corporate taxes within 90 days of your business license being issued. This has to be done. And if it's not done, you get a 10,000 dirham fine. This cannot be waived at all. If you get the fine, you're paying the fine. So please avoid these things. Of course, as well, there's other things you can keep in mind, like VAT registration if required. If your company's revenue goes above 375,000 dirhams, you are now required by law to register for VAT. So this doesn't mean you're charging VAT. It just means that you have to register for VAT. So for example, if you have a business in Dubai and your clients are in the UK and you're invoicing your clients in the UK, don't charge them VAT. But do you have to be registered for VAT because you went above that threshold? Yes. It's just a compliance thing. Again, make sure that you're up to date. Make sure that your team is taking care of it for you so that you don't have any issues. Just putting this out there as a general warning for anyone who hasn't complied with this yet, because the deadline is March 31st. So at the end of this month, I'm going to post this video right now. At the end of this month, this is going to come into effect. So there's a grace period. So if you did renew your license 10 months ago, don't worry, you're not getting fined. This is new. So as long as you do it within the end of this month, you're good to go. And of course, that's the benefit of working with us here at GenZone. We are always up to date with the latest information that you need to know about. And of course, if you're even just watching this channel, you're benefiting from it, even without being our client potentially, right? So make sure that you work with the right people, because I'm sure in a couple weeks from now, when this grace period ends, a lot of people are going to be in hot waters knowing that they have a 5,000 dirham penalty for no reason at all. Well, I mean, a reason, not being compliant, right? So I don't love this compliance requirement. It's pretty annoying, to be honest. But it is what it is. Gotta do it. So make sure that you're working with the right people. And we also went ahead and made this document for people who aren't our clients. You might wonder why. Well, because even though you're not our client, I want to make sure that everyone is okay. That's the most important thing for us. And I just want to put this out there as well, because not everyone wants to use accounting services. And I don't want anyone coming back and saying, guys, you didn't tell me this, you didn't tell me this. So it's our duty to make sure that you're up to date, and not only up to date, but we want to give you a guide so that you can be. So here's the entire guide. If for whatever reason this isn't good enough for you, then you can go ahead and email us and I'll send it to you directly. Or of course, you can book a call using the link down below. If you're looking to set up in Dubai, we can help you. And of course, you won't even have to take care of this. We can do it for you if you use our accounting services. So here we go. That's the entire breakdown. You can pause the video there and watch it back. But essentially, it's pretty straightforward. Obviously, the first thing you're going to do is have an FTA portal account on Emara Tax. But you know, everything is done through there. Enjoy. And of course, if you're looking to set up in Dubai, you can book a free call using the link down below.